Welcome back to my channel Miss Medicine. This video is about Combined Medical Services Examination 2020 paper number 1. So let's start with the first question. A chronic alcoholic develops a paroxysm of palpitations after alcohol binge. Which of the following arrhythmia is most likely? The answer is atrial fibrillation. Next question. An elderly man with history of diabetes mellitus and coronary artery disease comes for follow-up with complaints of muscle pains. Which of the following drugs could be the most likely cause? The answer is atorvastatin. Next question. A 40-year-old lady comes to outdoor clinic with complaints of sudden onset chest pain. The chest X-ray shows bilateral pneumothorax. Examination reveals abnormalities of body, habitus including long arms, legs and finger, scoliosis, high arched palate, joint hypermobility and a pansystolic murmur at cardiac apex. Which one of the following diseases is most likely? The answer is Marfan syndrome. Next question. All of the following are indications for treadmill testing, exercise testing except. The answer is to assess outcome after coronary revascularization. Next question. Cosmol sign is present in all of the following conditions except. The answer is hypertrophic cardiomyopathy. Next question. Which of the following is not a common cause of atrial fibrillation? The answer is hypothyroidism. Next question. In an ECG recording, P wave is produced by atrial depolarization. Next question. Which of the following modalities is not used in the treatment of ventricular tachycardia? The answer is injection adenosine. Next question. Which one of the following drugs is a direct renin inhibitor? The answer is aliskiren. Next question. All of the following are causes of systolic hypertension with wide pulse pressure except. The answer is aortic stenosis. Next question. Signet ring sign on CT chest is suggestive of bronchiectasis. Next question. Oral corticosteroids are best introduced in the treatment of chronic bronchial asthma when it is very severe persistent. Next question. An 18-year-old male has insulin-dependent diabetes with malabsorption syndrome and bilateral upper lobe bronchiectasis. A diagnostic workup will include all except lung biopsy. Next question. Which one of the following antigens is commonly associated with causation of farmer's lung? The answer is actinomycetes. Next question. The gene expert test used for MTB detection has the additional advantage of detection of which of the following? The answer is rifampicin resistance. Next question. The most common cause of chronic type 2 respiratory failure is severe COPD. I already uploaded respiratory failure video. I will give the link of that video on the I button. If you are interested, you can also watch that video. So the next question is the most frequent symptom in respiratory diseases is cough. Next question. A 26-year-old young lady attends medical emergency and is labeled as acute severe asthma by the emergency physician. Which one of the following is unlikely to be a part of the prescription? The answer is anti-leukotrienes. Next question. Consider the following statements with regard to respiratory examination. The correct answer is 2, 3 and 4. Whispered pectoriloque is characteristic of lung consolidation. Monophonic wheeze is characteristic of asthma. Hyperresonant note on percussion is characteristic of pneumothorax. Next question. All of the following are the causes of exudative pleural effusion except SVC obstruction. Next question. Which of the following is not true about ghrelin? It decreases gastric emptying. Next question. Fecal elastase test is used for diagnosing which one of the following conditions? Pancreatic dysfunction. Next question. The recent classification system for listing a patient as a candidate for liver transplantation is MELD score. Next question. The blood supply of liver consists of 80% of portal vein and 20% of hepatic artery. Next question, all of the following conditions are associated with glomerulonephritis with low complement level except IgA nephropathy. Next question, consider the following statements with regard to oral aphthous ulcers. The correct answer is 1, 2 and 3 only. So, oral aphthous ulcers are superficial and painful. They may occur in women just prior to menstruation. Oral glucocorticoids may be needed for the treatment of severe and recurrent cases. These three are the correct about oral aphthous ulcers. Next question, which one of the following statements about Barrett's esophagus is not correct? The answer is normal columnar cells lining the lower esophagus are replaced by the squamous cells. But in Barrett's esophagus, the squamous cells are normal cells which are replaced by the columnar cells. Next question is, the most common cause of acute hepatitis outbreaks in India is hepatitis E. Next question, spontaneous esophageal perforation after a bout of forceful vomiting or retching is characteristically seen in which one of the following conditions? The answer is Boerhaave syndrome. Next question, eradication of Helicobacter pylori infection may prove beneficial in the following extragastric disorders except. The answer is acute glomerulonephritis. Next question, what is the target blood hemoglobin level when treating anemia in stage 4 chronic kidney disease patient? The target blood hemoglobin level is 8 to 10 gram per deciliter. Next question, which one of the following complications of chronic kidney disease is observed in patients with low parathyroid hormone levels? The answer is adenemic bone disease. Next question, all of the following statements about adult polycystic kidney disease are true except it is usually associated with systemic hypertension from young age. Next question, consider the following statements in relation to an adult patient. The correct answer is second and third. Anuria is said to exist when less than 50 milliliter urine is passed per day, and polyuria is defined as urine volume in excess of 3 liter per day. Next question, white cell cast in urine examination are strongly suggestive of pyelonephritis. Next question, a 13-year-old boy presents with hematuria, oliguria, edema and hypertension. He has history of sore throat 2 weeks prior to presentation. Lab investigations are remarkable for low C3, increased of ASO and anti-DNAs. Which one of the following statement is not true about management for this condition? Then correct answer is immunosuppressants are to be used for crescentic glomerulonephritis is not correct about the management of this condition. Next question, which one of the following statements is not true correct regarding the risk factors for nephrolithiasis? The answer is higher dietary calcium increases risk. Next question, a 60-year-old patient is admitted in emergency with seizure, aphasia and altered sensorium. He has history of fever and headache for the preceding 3 days. The CSF examination is unremarkable. What would be the probable diagnosis? The answer is viral encephalitis. Next question, drug of choice for the treatment of trigeminal neuralgia is carbamazepine. Next question, constructional skills is a function of which lobe? The answer is non-dominant parietal lobe. Next question, vertical gaze palsy with convergence retraction nystagmus is seen in Parinod syndrome. Next question, a patient on looking forward was found to have his right eye deviated downwards and outwards with pupil dilated. He is suffering from right third nerve palsy. Next question, all of the following are features of Coda-Equina syndrome except extensor plantar response, and the features of Coda-Equina syndrome are low back pain, lower limbar areflexia and loss of bladder function. Next question, a 68-year-old male presented in OPD with complaints of progressive small handwriting. On examination, he had resting tremor, bradykinesia, rigidity and postural instability. This patient is suffering mostly like Parkinson's disease. Next question, an elderly patient presents with abnormal gait. He has a wide base freezing gait with imbalance, comprising short striders, shuffling along the floor, and difficulty with starts and turns. Heel shin test is normal. Which one of the following is most likely disorder? Frontal gait disorder. Next question, Cushing reflex seen in conditions of raised intracranial pressure includes all of the following except hypothermia. Cushing reflex triad is bradycardia, hypertension, and irregular respiration. Next question, a 35-year-old man presents with history of low-grade fever, headache for last 5 weeks. Clinical examination is remarkable for signs of meningismus. He undergoes lumbar puncture and a day later reports worsening of headache. Which one of the following feature is not consistent with the diagnosis of post-LP headache? The answer is post-lumbar puncture headache is most severe upon waking up. Next question, which one of the following investigation is not appropriate in a case of recurrent thrombosis? The answer is BCR-ABL assay. Next question, all of the following are causes of reactive thrombocytosis except megaloblastic anemia. And the causes of reactive thrombocytosis are hemolytic anemia, post-splenectomy, and chronic inflammatory disorders. Next question, cryoprecipitate cannot be used for treatment of which one of the following conditions? The answer is hemophilia B. But cryoprecipitate we can use in von Willebrand disease, hypofibrinogenemia, and hemophilia A. Next question, pyruvate kinase deficiency results in deficiency of ATP production and a chronic hemolytic anemia. The disorder is inherited as an autosomal recessive trait. Next question, sickle cell disease may be associated with any of the following except Cohen syndrome. And sickle cell disease associated with acute chest syndrome, aplastic crisis, and splenic sequestration crisis. Next question, fever with splenomegaly and lymphoadenopathy can be seen in both infectious mononucleosis and chronic leukemia. Next question, every individual carries 4 alpha gene alleles. Deletion of 3 alleles leads to development of hemoglobin H disease. Next question, which one of the following is not true regarding chronic myeloid leukemia? The answer is risk of developing CML is increased in monozygotic twins, but chronic myeloid leukemia is a clonal malignancy of hematopoietic stem cells. CML is defined by presence of BCR-ABL1 fusion gene and 10-year survival with TKI therapy is 85%. Next question, diagnostic criteria of multiple myeloma includes increased malignant plasma cells in the bone marrow, serum or urinary M protein, and skeletal lytic lesions. Next question, the most predominant type of serum immunoglobulin involved in patients with plasma cell disorder is IgG. Next question, which one of the following statements is not true regarding the thyroid function disorder in pregnancy? Levothyroxine replacement therapy dose should be decreased 30 to 50% early in pregnancy, but thyroid function disorders in pregnancy are increase in metabolism of thyroxine by placenta, and hyperemesis gravidarum may be associated with thyrotoxicosis in pregnancy, and impaired cognitive impairment may be seen in the offspring of mother with subclinical hypothyroidism. Next question, which one of the following is not the criterion for the diagnosis of diabetes mellitus? The answer is fasting plasma glucose more than 110 mg per deciliter. Next question, a young lady presents in outdoor clinic with complaints of menstrual irregularity, weight gain, hair loss, tiredness, and weakness. What will be the investigation of choice? The answer is free T4 and TSH level should be checked.